Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today got a very familiar looking package. That's Doggy Lock's crying because he got 3 of exactly the same toy. He's been given 1 of them, 2 of them are getting kept spare. He wants the 2 spare ones. You can't have them. Have one there. Anyway, I sent Brummie a package with a bunch of keys in and a Union. That's end. Rim cylinder. I sent Brummie a package with a bunch of keys and a Union rim cylinder in, and in return, even though I didn't expect anything, he sent a package back filled with some other goodies. Oh, first of all, we have Timson's padlock, which is kind of cool because I've been wondering what these are like and never committed to buying one. So I'm going to try that in a second. The unbranded Euro cylinder. Clueless about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-pin. Now, the exciting stuff. Really exciting stuff. I may have already been through this package. We have a Secure Fast. Now, these are really cool locks. Loads of false gates in them. Have false gates top and bottom. What an unusual thing about them. If you get a standard tensioner, it doesn't tension them because they'll work different, but that's for another video. It does work nicely. Kind of excited about this one, and another one. I'm sure you're not, I wasn't talking to you. Dear Alexa. This is a Yale 5-lever. Not too long ago I picked a red one of these that may have been a Union. It has the levers mounted the wrong way and no false gates in them. Really fun to pick. Really enjoy the other one that I have. Just think I will really enjoy this one. Well, since this is a lock picking channel, let's see if we can get a lock picked. Well, I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know if it's going to be one of those cheap locks that makes a fool of you. Simpsons don't charge much for these, and I have a feeling that they overcharge for them. Feels like kind of blob spools in there. Some really odd feedback. There we go. Just a little knock on something and then we have an open. Anyway, like I said to you, Brummie, there was no need to send anything in return. Wasn't intended as a trade. But this is some exciting stuff. I very much appreciate it. Thanks very much for sending it. That's all from us. See you next time.
Why would you call it a hasp? What is a hasp?
That's a hasp.
Well, that's not. That's a hinge.
It's a hasp.
It's a hinge.
It has a hinge. It's part of the hasp.
It's a hinge, a locking hinge.
It's a hasp.
A locking hinge. Why would you name it a hasp? It looks stupid.